guys, I'm April from GettingMyActTogether.com, and today I wanted to make a video about how I organize drawers. This is the best hack I know for organizing drawers, and some of my drawers are done, and I have this one drawer that I've been putting off and putting off and putting off, and I haven't done it. I haven't organized it, and you know what the result of that is? That the drawer is just like overflowing with clothes. It's just so many. It's my t-shirt drawer. Some houses don't even have a t-shirt drawer, but when I have a small closet, I have to have a t-shirt drawer because I can't fit my t-shirts in my closet. And I sleep in t-shirts. I'm a big t-shirt fan. I live in them on weekends. I love t-shirts. T-shirts have so many purposes. So anyway, I have a drawer full of them, and we're going to organize them today. And I know that sounds weird, so let me explain. I have this thing where I rotate my clothes. So when I do decluttering and organizing closets and drawers and everything, I'm not just getting rid of stuff I think I might not want to wear anymore or doesn't fit or whatever. I keep it rotated so that I naturally am always decluttering those things, and I don't get stuck with a drawer full of clothes that don't fit, or a drawer full of clothes that are way out of style that I hate, whatever. Make me look stupid. So if you've seen my video on closets, if you haven't, I will link it at the end of this video. But the video is a lot like my closets, and I mentioned my drawers in that video, but this one's going to be a lot quicker because that was a longer video. It's going to be a shorter video. So I'm just get right to it. Let's talk about drawers. The first thing that I do is I always keep it rotated. And what I mean is I have them folded in a line. And when I wash my clothes, I bring it up from the laundry and I put it in the back of the drawer. And then when I choose a pair of pants, like if I'm wearing this shirt today, I went to my pants drawer and I'm gonna open my pants drawer, see. The first pair of pants was yoga pants. I'm not gonna wear this with yoga pants. It's not a short top like these girls wear them these days. I'm too old for that. It's like a regular length top. Okay. So the next thing is a pair of really, really fuzzy jogging pants. That doesn't go with this either. And then I came to the pants that I'm wearing, which are really loose and comfy, pair of like black carpenter pants that I love. Got them at Kohl's. I don't remember what brand they are because I would tell you. They are so, so comfy. What brand are they? I thought maybe, oh, Lee. They're Lee. Good old Lee. Can't go wrong. Anyway, so yeah, I picked the first one that goes and then I rotate the rest. So I'm just going to show you what I mean. And then we're going to do my t-shirt drawer together because it has not been done in like 4 years. So, I mean, I moved during that and I just shoved all the t-shirts in the drawer. I have not been keeping them rotated. So it is a mess, and we can draw a drawer together. I can do my drawer, you can do your drawer, you can play this while you do it. All right, hold on. This chaos is my current t-shirt drawer. As you can see, it's not even all t-shirts, and that is because sometimes people help me and put other things up for me. Like that doesn't go there. And then these are two shirts that I've worn the most recently, but are still clean. I only wore them to sleep in one night. And so they get to go back in. I feel like a couple of nights is good for you have to wash them. That's just my philosophy. And I'm just realizing that I also keep hose in the back of this drawer. I didn't realize I was doing that. So here is your before. And then in case you're wanting to do your drawer at the same time as me, I'll show you what I'm going to do. And I hate like the take everything out philosophy because, you know, it's just asking for trouble. So I'm just going to pile everything on one side of the drawer, and it's probably going to be a disaster. Wow. Okay. So I'm seeing clothes already I haven't seen in years. This is one of those smelly good bags. Oh no, it's like glued to the, I left it in here too long. Ah, it just busted. See, I have one of these bags and it busted. And so now I have to vacuum. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just taking each t-shirt in this pile and I'm rolling it and putting it on this side now that I've vacuumed up the exploded bag that I had. And I bumped the light. Sorry guys. It's really hard to figure out how to film. This is a humongous shirt. But y'all, this shirt, I got this when I was a freshman in college 20 years ago. They were only handing out like extra larges that day. So that's how I ended up with an extra large t-shirt, even though I was like a minuscule person back then. Okay, so I'm just taking these and rolling them. And I'm not getting rid of any of them, except for ones that are just straight up not t-shirts. One t-shirt just fell out of my drawer. Okay, this is starting to get hard to keep piled up, but I'm going to shift them over here. Honestly, if you know you have time to completely take everything out of your drawer, it's a great idea. Okay, I had forgotten I own this. I had forgotten I own most of these. I'm just going to roll them up. What is this? This looks like it needs to be washed. We're going to wash that. It looks like it was worn and put back improperly. Okay, so I'll put that in there. It looks like I have too many shirts for this drawer. You know how some shirts just feel better on your skin than others? Well, that is the case with a lot of t-shirts. And you don't know when you're buying it. You can't tell. At least, okay, I'm now officially taking everything else out of the drawer that hasn't already been rolled. And this is a workout top. It doesn't belong in here. What was that? A battery. I collect and hide AA batteries in my drawers because I have 4 male children and they're always looking for batteries. And this way I can be in charge of dispensing them. I am the battery dispenser. Okay. Doesn't that look beautiful? I know that one looks smaller than the others, but that's because it is actually not that good kind of cozy material to me. So it's scrunched up really easily. That one has a dog hair on it. We're just going to ignore that. Keep going. Now you can see that I may actually run out of space before I run out of t-shirts. And I'm going to hope that's not going to happen. But if it does happen, it means I own too many t-shirts. It's pure and simple. And I need to... And this whole system is going to fix that without me having to make a bunch of harsh decisions right this minute. Because what will happen is I will try them on, and if I don't like them, I will put them straight into the Goodwill bag that I keep. Oh, I love this shirt. It's my girls' trip New York shirt. Okay, and then this is the one I just wore last night, so it should be in the front because I'm going to wear it again. Okay, so you can see that I have way too many t-shirts. I have so many t-shirts that I had to stack them too high. And there's some that I know are not feel-good t-shirts for sleeping, but they may be fine for summer. That one hasn't made it with me through a summer yet. It's kind of new. So this is how I'm going to do it. Now, when I go to pull a t-shirt, I'll pull from the front. Hopefully next time I'll wash it. And yeah, when I get clothes from the washing machine, I will move these forward and put them in here. And then I just move them forward like that. And if you don't like the moving forward method, you could just finish out a row and then replace it and then finish out a row and then replace, like that. You can make it work for you. But that's how I keep them rotated, and I am so excited to finally have my t-shirts organized. That's been bothering me for 2 years. The whole 2 years I've lived here. So that's exciting. One more thing I want to say, I do also do this for my kids' rooms, and I'm going to show you where I did John David's drawer. Here's the only thing about kids' rooms. You don't want to spend too much of your hyper organizing on your kids' rooms because they're not going to keep it. They're going to scramble it all up and just hurt your feelings. So anyway, I will show you where I did John David's, and I will show you how it looks a month later. This is a month after redoing this drawer. This drawer used to be total chaos. It was both shorts and pants, and I redid it, and I put pants in here, and I had them rolled in lines. And if you get past what he's thrown in, you can see where there used to be lines. So, okay. And these are basically just the pants he never wears. And then chaos has returned. Because, yeah, he's 10, so that happens. And then the short drawer, we're not that fully into needing shorts yet. He just sleeps in shorts for now. So it didn't get as chaotic, but this used to be 3 nice, clean rows. Oh, look, there's a couple that are still holding a little bit of their roll shape. Anyway, you see. So I guess the reason I love organizing my own stuff so much and keeping it so careful is, one, it does help me to keep less things. It helps me to get rid of more things naturally, just as I go throughout my day. And also, I can't control anything else in this house. I mean, you saw what happened to John David's drawer. I fix it and it gets unfixed, and I fix it and it gets unfixed. Meanwhile, I hyper-organized that pants drawer 2 years ago, and it still works. It's still that way. So it's very much rewarding. This is The rest of the world, you can't control. Like, I can't control anybody in this house. I have 4 kids and a husband, a dog, and a turtle, and I can't control any of them. I can't even control myself. But like my drawers and my closet, I feel like it's this little area where I can handle that. Anyway, so I hope these tips help you, and I hope some of that works for you too. Have a great day.